Hey guys, I hope you are doing good.
In this particular video, I'll be talking about how we can publish a page on our main site, that is Per Lemon. And here's the document for that. So the process is the content team give us these documents, which have all the data and all the content which needs to go live on the website. So here you will see the keyword, the suggested URL, the meta title, the description, and then the content for the page. So we simply need to copy this content and put it on the website. And how are we gonna do it? I'll show just now. So we'll go on the pages section and yep. So these are the all the pages on our website, on Parliament main website. So I'm opening a new page by adding on add new page. Then I'll paste the name of the page over here. That is the title of the page. Then the SEO description and title. These are the description and titles. These are the most important things of a page because these are the things which give us ranking. So I pasted the meta title. Then I copy the description and I'll paste the description in the description. So the plugin which we are using on this side is Rank Math. So this is an interface from Rank Math. And yep, so this is the SEO part which is done. Added the name, added the meta title and description. Then I'll change the template from default to full width Elementor. When it's done, I'll click on save as draft. When I click on save as draft, so I'll also see the permalink over here. So permalink is this the URL of the page. So if you see something like this, okay, if you see something like this, which means we already have an existing page with the same set of keywords. So we don't obviously don't want that. So maybe then you need to inform the content team about it, or maybe you can compare the content on the existing page, and then you can take further action about it. So for now, we don't have an existing page for that. So I'll remove this, and this will be our URL. So when anyone searches, so they can access this page using this URL. Okay, fine. Then I again click on save as draft. So these are the basic things which we have done on the backend. Then I'll click on edit with Elementor and when let it load first. Yep. So this is our Elementor basic theme. Then I'll copy the content from any of the existing page. So I'll open a page. Let's say I'll open. Hmm, let's open B2B PR agency. Let's see which. Okay, this looks fine. I don't want these. I don't want these, so I'll not use this page. Wait a second. So I know about the content which we are having on this page. So that's why I'm choosing appropriate page, the page which I can copy the template. Let me see. Okay, so this is fine. This one is fine. We have left right combination, and then we have this these cards also. We can use this, or either you can go for some other one. I'll still search for a better example to show you guys. Let's sort it with date and maybe we can find something. So this is apply now. This is all services. These are on 12th of December. Link, lead generation, SEO. Just let's see this one. Yep, this looks fine. This one looks fine. I'll click on edit with Elementor on the page. It's loading. Okay, I see a problem. The header is kind of broken. Man, the header is broken for the site. Damn. I'll publish the page, then I'll fix the header. Okay. So this is the page. So this is our empty page. Okay. And this is the page which I'll be using to copy the style. So I'll go to the bottom. I'll go to the bottom of the existing page. Then I click on this drag widget here. I click and I'll copy all content. This is how I do it. So then I'll go on this page and I'll paste the page. So this will copy the entire page, the entire existing page over here. Then you will simply need to change the content over here. So I'll show. So the page is copied. Now you will go over here and this is the heading. You'll copy this part. You will, come on, you'll replace this thing. Cool. Now I'll make this as bold. The part, half part is bold. Let's make this bold. Control B, B. So this is it. Now I'll copy this. I'll paste it over here. Remove extra spacing. Done. Then I'll copy this H2. I'll paste. Be the sections. We don't want to copy all the content in the same section. So if we have a lot of content below this H2, then we'll divide it among two sections. So that's what I'm doing. So I need one another section over here. So I'll move it upward and then I will delete this heading because I don't need it. I delete this heading too. I'll delete this one too. And then I'll come over here and I copy these four maybe. So let's divide. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll copy 3 in here and 3 in the next one. So that's it. No, no, we need this one. Okay. So pasted, removing blank space. Done. Then I'll copy this. Or maybe I can paste all the 6 in this section only. Looks fine to me. Looks fine. Cool. So it actually depends on how it looks. It must look good, and it's up to you how you want to arrange it. And make it. Mhm. Right. Let's keep it here only. Okay. Now I come over here, and then you see I have a H2 which is having a small heading, which is having a small description. Then I'm having a set of H3s over here. So for that section, we can use this one. So I'll paste it in this yellow section. Paste it over here. I paste it here. So guys, if you have a doubt like how do I know all these things, like which section do should I use for H2s, which for H3s. So these things you will know after comparing the pages, after comparing two set of pages. So your first step in creating any page should be you should open one existing page. You can compare the data in the document and you can compare it with the existing page and you will know how we should the or which sections you should use for those data use for that data. That's it. So for now I'm simply copying and pasting and this is all what's about publishing the content. So I have two more sections after this. Okay, fine. So this one is done, right? Trans, copy these. This is done. This is done. So I copy this section, paste it here. Reason because I need two of these because I have remaining these H3s. I'll paste it. I'll paste this. This. Duplicate. Duplicate. And copy this. So the design is in your hands. How you gonna design a page? It's just it must look good. So if I if I transfer these in this section, then this looks better. At least I think so. That's it. Now we have another H2. Now for this H2, I will use this. So you see here we have H3. So I'll make it as H2 and then see the size is still the same. So I will compare one H2, one existing H2. Let's see. So this is an existing H2 and let's see the typography. We are using 36. So I'll go at the bottom. I'll click on this. Let's see what we are using. We're using 36 for this too, which is definitely not good. So for this, we are using 36 and this we are using H3 or H3 are 30 and H2s are 32. So this is 36, right? H3 for H3 we are using 30 and H2 we are using 36. Fine. So this is fine. So I made it H2, right? And then I'll paste what I've copied. Then the remaining part. Now see again we are having one H2 and we are having some set of H3s in it. So I would rather choose this and paste it in here. Is simply about copying and pasting. You already have the design. You just need to choose which sections you are using. Actually, you don't even need to choose that. You simply have to compare. You have to use the existing styles of the page. So this is done. This if you think you want to change, see now here I have H3. This is H3. How do I know? If I click on this, you see here we have H3. Now I'll click on H3 again, and you see the size of H2 and H3 is same. So as I said, click on styles, go in typography, change 36 to 30. Now this looks small, and it now we know it is actually a H3. So I'll copy this again, paste. Simple but long process. You don't need to use much of your brain. So, so this section, leave it. So I need some more sections because here you see this is the end of the page. So I'll copy few sections. So firstly, I'll duplicate this one. I might use these. So then if I duplicated these, so I have this section 1, 2, 3. So I've duplicated twice. So these are fine. Now I go over here and I copy this and I paste it below this. So if I click on these six dots and I click on paste, then it will paste below this. Similarly, if I want to paste something above this, then I click on plus, this thing will appear, then I paste it over here. So this is how you can paste something above a section and how you can paste something below a section. That's it. So I have sections. These two are already there. I'll copy the third one, paste, copy this, paste, copy paste, control V and control C. That's it. Control. Okay. So this is copied. This is the other one copied. And now again I have H2 and some set of H3s. And then this one is the final H2. Okay. We are close, guys. We are close. We are almost done. So I'll delete this. I'll delete this because I don't need this one. Then I copy this again because I need to add one H3. Copy. I paste it here. Then I copy this thing, which is H2, and I replace this H2 with the H2 from the document. Copy the description, paste, copy, paste. These are H3s, guys. So I'm pasting H3s. So while you are pasting something, you should also see if you're pasting it in a H3. So this must be H3. These are all related to the SEO. So you need to keep these things in mind. Mm, Done. I have total 6. So I'll duplicate this one, duplicate this, drag and drop. So we are basically doing the same thing from the top and bottom, top to the bottom. Just so this is done. We have pasted all these, and now we have a final H2. So This is done. So I think I should end this with a final H2, which is this one. So I'll copy this section. At the at the bottom, we are ending it with a yellow section, something like this. So I don't need this client, our clients on every page, but it's fine if you have. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. I copy the last section and I paste the description here and remove extra spacing. Yep, done. Mark the links as bold. Right now you see these are few things which you should fix by your own. So you see per lemon's apostrophe s. So this is not, s is not included in the link. So I'll add s in the link and I remove this. So these are the few basic things that you should fix by yourself. So I'll mark these as bold. Let's see for some other links and make them bold. No, no, no. This one, per lemon. Mark it as bold. Done. And then, yep. So we are done with this. Now the FAQs. FAQs. So these are the FAQs. Click on this pen icon. You will see all these threes. Paste the title in this title and the other part in this paragraph section. So this is our FAQ done. So that's it. This is what we need to do for all these three or four. We paste. Mhm. Now I need one more, so I'll duplicate this one or add a new one. So for the last, copy, paste, copy, paste. That's it. Now in here, so this is the form which we are using on most of our website. So click on these six dots, go in the advanced section, and in the CSS ID write FORM. So what I have done is I have linked this section with this form. I have given this section a CSS ID which is form. So all the buttons on the page, all the buttons on the page, this book a call and everything. So these buttons are linked with uh that that section, that form section. So it redirects to the forms. So this is how you do it. Then when this is done, you need to change the images because we don't want to use the same set of images on the website. So you'll go over here, we'll click, choose image, select in the media file and search for these images. So I'm going at the bottom. I guess, yep, it's difficult to find those, but eventually you will. So, so here guys, this is me, and I will keep searching. Mhm. So I'll let you know if I know a shortcut to navigate these images. Okay. But yeah, you can search for undraw. That's how you will search or you will get these images directly. So we are using these undraw images for our Parliament website, for our Parliament main website, for leads, for Parliament sales, Parliament web. On most of our websites, we are using these undraw images. On some of the websites, we have images. Let me show you. So, for example, I'll open Wellness in Italy website. On Wellness in Italy website, we have these images. So in that case, what you need to do is you'll um, download these images, you'll upload the media file in the media file, and then you can uh, actually work. So, but in here we already have all these images which we can use. We can simply rotate these images on our website, and that's how we create a page. But on wellness website, if you see a relevant image in the media file, then it's fine. If not, then you need to go and search for an image, download it. It must not be a copyright image. Download it, upload, and then also add the alt text for the image. That's important. So I'll add these. So this one, I've added this one. Similarly, this one looks fine. This looks fine, but still, I'll change this with this paste. I'll copy this image. I'll delete this from here. I'm just simply rotating the images, right? So I'll delete this. And you need to change each and every image on the page. Okay, so I'm skipping that part. Once you are done with all this, with changing the images and everything, then you are done with the page actually. But still, what you need to do before clicking on publish, you should click over here and see if the responsiveness of the website is fine or not. So I think it's fine. It looks fine to me, even for the mobile version. So what I'm actually looking is, so it should not be something like, do we have an example? So luckily this website is fine. This page is fine. So I'll demonstrate it once, 1 minute. So if I click over here, go in the responsiveness and advanced responsiveness and hmm, see. So if you have two images like this, one after the other, so we don't want that. We need content, image, and this is the pattern which we are following. So if you see content, or content or image, then it's not fine. So how you can fix it? You can like if you see something like this, this one is fine because we have content, then the image, then if you click on these six dots, I'll click over here. If you click on these six dots, go in the advanced responsiveness, and if it's on, then deselect it. If it's off, then make it yes. That's it. So this is the content. Done. Looks fine to me. And you need to change all these images, obviously. So for the time being, I'm not changing the images just for this video, but I'll do it later. Don't click on publish content before changing the images. But yeah, when you click on publish the content, the page will be published and you will see, have a look over here. So I'll click on have a look. Okay, let's have a look. So this will be our page. When the page is done, when we have done, like we are done with publishing, I'll copy this. I'll go in the sheets where I found the doc file related to this page. So this is the doc file. The live link I'll paste over here. And yep, that's how it's done. That's how we publish a page on a website. That's it. Thank you guys. I hope you guys liked it. So I'll stop.